Hello there, everybody. My name is Aaron. Thanks for joining me. I just wanted to create a quick video here outlining what it is, a little bit about what it is that I do as a kitchen cabinet engineer. So, my responsibility is to basically take the drawings that the designers have done and all of the details that they have worked through with the homeowner and create a new set of drawings off of those that are geared more towards the production of the kitchen or whatever it is that is being built. So to start off with here, I've got a PDF of the this design drawing here. It's one that I've worked on a couple of months ago, but I chose it because it has a couple of things that I can kind of outline here quickly. So this is what the design drawings look like, and this is what we show. These are the drawings that we show the homeowner to just give them a basic idea of how their kitchen is going to look. If my scroll wheel will cooperate here. There we go. So there's a couple of details that are on the design drawings, just basic things, such as accessories, where the appliances are going. There's an we've got an X end on the peninsula end here, so that's kind of neat. And then pull out going in the this big cabinet here in the peninsula. So basically, that's kind of the outline of it. Here is the 3D view, and there's another view of the 3D. I think there's one more. Oh, here we go. Yeah, so that is basically what the design drawings look like. So I'm just going to jump ahead here and program that we have here, Cabinet Visions, and I'm going to show everybody what I do as a production design engineer. So as you can see right off the bat, the drawings that I made here look a little different. There's a title page basically outlining all of the details that are required. Hopefully all the information that's needed is there for the production crew to look off of and get the information. So things like the paint color, what paint or stain the cabinets are going to be, the type of wood that's going to be used, the cabinet interior material, the drawer or drawer front style. So we have a couple different profiles for that, the crown molding type, and the countertop type, and edge profile, and what hardware is going on, so handles and stuff. To kind of really make things clear, we've got profile views of all of the crown moldings, the base moldings, the light valance, the door profile, and the hardware. There's also information on which type of accessories need to be sent along with the job. So the lighting, what accessories we have in stock, and what accessories we have to custom order. So if I scroll through here, you can kind of see that so these are the drawings that the crew down in production will have. So they look a little different than what the design drawings look like. So there's a couple more details about the apron front sink and where that's supposed to be located. There's details about what the crown molding looks like, a couple notes for the installers. So let me just scroll through here. There's an elevation view of the one wall here. There's a cross section just kind of showing how deep the range hood is in comparison to the cabinets beside it. There we go. There's a couple more cross sections kind of showcasing how the wall ovens will look. Another cross section of the sink. So these are all details that I've added in, and they are there to help the production crew and the installers build and install this kitchen. If I keep scrolling here, This one doesn't look too much different from the design drawings. Oh yeah, they've got an end panel or end view here. We just keep going. So here, this is another page that I've added in, just kind of detailing how the range hood is going to be built. A couple of details for the production crew there. This is a cross section that's a little bit bigger, outlining how the wall oven and microwave cabinet is going to be built. So there's going to be a wall oven going in the bottom section and a microwave with a trim kit. So that's an extra piece that goes around the outside of the microwave to kind of flush it up, make it look like one piece. And we design the cabinets to flush the appliances up with our doors. So everything is kind of in line. You can't really see it here, but it makes it for a little bit of a sleeker look, in my opinion. Here's another a page that I've added in, kind of showcasing how this X end is going to be built. So again, these are all notes for the production crew. This is something that you don't find on the design drawings because it's not necessary for the homeowner to know how to build this. Anyways, let's keep going here. Oh yeah, so I got another couple of 3D views here showcasing the front and the back of the peninsula. A 3D view here showing the kitchen, and I think another 3D view kind of showcasing the X end on there. So you can kind of see the difference between the production drawings and the design drawings and some of the alterations that I had to make. And basically, that is a quick overview. Once I'm happy with how everything looks, then it's time to what we call post out the job. So we will print out, the engineers will print out, first of all, we will print off the production drawings here. And then that is part of the package. So the other part of the package is the reports. So the reports, if I go to the report section here, those are very important pieces of information to include. These are basically showcasing everything that's needed. So we've got the board stock cut list report, and this outlines all of the solid wood that the breakout department has to get ready. We've got the door list here. So this is just a list of all of the doors that are going to be cut out. In this case, they are MDF, so we will cut those out in the shop here on the CNC. And this list is basically just to check off to make sure that all of the drawers and drawer fronts have been made and included. The drawer rollout list is what we send to our drawer supplier so that they can build those drawer boxes for us. Material summary just outlines all the material that's needed. We will print this off as a PDF and then add more information. The information that we include here at the end is custom ordered stuff. So on the PDF that I print, I will include this 2 kidney shaped shelves accessory on the material report. Moving on here, we got the molding report, and this is again for the breakout and production departments to break out all the molding types that we have. We got the profiles on here, and that's very important pieces of information for them to have. So once we're happy with all of that, the next thing we would do is post out the CNC code, generate the CNC code. So this program actually generates the code out on its or by itself. So if I just filter everything or the filter out the panel stock cut lists here, sorry, the panel stock material. and I click nest, that will, there we go, that will basically figure out what size all the parts are that are being cut out. And that will find, for all the parts, it will find the best places to put them on a 4x8 sheet of melamine or plywood or whatever it is the cabinet boxes are going to be built out of. So this is, the sheet goods are basically all of the parts that are required to make the cabinet boxes and end panels. So right now it's just kind of thinking of where to put all the pieces. And it's pretty neat to kind of see once it's all done. So I'll just press OK here. So here we go. We've got all the material is separated. So, you know, all the parts here. So maple particle core, 3/4, 5x10. So that would be an end panel or an end panel assembly that is taller than a 4x8 sheet of plywood. So we have to use a different size of plywood for that. We've got the melamine white 3/4 material, and that is for the cabinet boxes. So all the parts that are required to build the cabinet boxes get nested here. And the CNC will go through and it will cut all of these. So if I just click this machining simulation here real quick, make it full screen. Okay, it's not looking like it should right now. But anyway, sorry, the machining simulation basically will do a dry run. It will showcase how the CNC will go through and cut all the parts, but it didn't work there. So sorry about that. But yeah, I would just keep going through the parts here. So this is kind of my favorite part of it, just kind of seeing how all the parts will get cut out. So it will generate the CNC codes. We just tell it to which file we want to put it to, which file we want to put those CNC codes to, and then that all gets sent electronically down to the machines, the CNC machines, and the CNC machines will kind of do their thing, cut all the parts out. And then from there, the parts get sorted into racks and then get distributed throughout the plant or the shop to be built. So anyways, I think that's about it. Oh, I do not want to do that. Okay. Yeah, that's about it for now anyway. So I hope everybody enjoyed that. I hope everybody learned something from it. I enjoy making these videos and like I said, I love what I do. And I hope everyone can join me again. Until next time, thanks so much for watching.